So welcome. Thank you for coming to the practical class with me, Yogini Rasa. And today we will talk about not only talk, we will practice three aspects that are so essential in yoga. There are three aspects, and let's try a practical exercise. Take any. Doesn't depend where you are. You can be in an office, you can be at home, there can be people around you. If you want to notice better, find a place where you can be alone, nobody would disturb you, and you can take a comfortable sitting position. I will stay standing. You just round your shoulders, close your eyes, or you can let's have eyes open. Roll your shoulders. Lean down like when you are very, very tired. And try to take as deep breath as you can and hold it. Take a deep breath out if you haven't done that before. Very seemingly uncomfortable position, then you would think that you want to stretch up, but still, notice what's your mind doing now. For 5 seconds, follow your mind. Good. Very nice. Second exercise, straighten your shoulders. I think you've wanted that. Put your hand up, your chin is up, and you are stretching high. Your chest is open. And now try to take a deep breath in and hold your breath. Deep in as much as you can and hold it. Close your eyes. And make a deep exhale. If you haven't done that before. Now, 5 seconds to follow your mind. Close your eyes. Good. Did you notice the difference? I hope so, because the difference had to be substantial. If not, find again a moment for you and do this exercise once again. The yogis in this practical aspect have always known that there is a close relation between three things: your pose, your breathing, and your mind. This is excellent thing. Remember, your body pose, your breathing, and your mind. Think there's hatha yoga, there is pranayama yoga, there is meditation. You can work with any of these aspects. If you need to work on all, like your mind gets you more in trouble, you work with the breathing and you work with the pose, or you switch other methods. So I hope you noticed, you tried, you kind of get the notion that it's working. If you have any questions, let me know. Thumbs up to you, and we meet in the next theoretical material a little bit more in yoga and your perspectives with the future learning of yoga. Thank you. Bye bye.